another unboxing video और आज मैं unbox करने वाली हूँ finger painting 2-in-1 sponge and this is cool painting. So let's unbox this and this is for 3+. Okay, so let's open it. So they have sponge, a manual, paint, and lots of pictures. So basically what you have to do is there comes with a lot of crafts and see, like I think this is a mango. I'll grab it. Wheel, parrot, then dog, fish, elephant, there's a bear, car, rocket, there's a plane as well, and then there are blank pieces of paper. So what you can do is either you can use this sponge to make, there's a stick as well, ice cream stick. So this sponge has shapes like heart. So all you have to do is take a blank piece of paper and take some paint and you just dip this, color it and stamp it. So how your little toddlers can put their fingers and you can paint the apple with dots like that. Okay, so this is our, okay, they come with our, this, I don't know what this is, looks like a teddy doll. Just put it back. So you can do so many activities. You can finger paint, you can even print, do this printing. There's a star, heart shape, flower. So आप ऐसे paint कर सकते हैं, or you can do finger painting. So you just use your finger and paint. Do dotting. They actually teach you how to do it. So, तो आप जीत सकते हैं. You can win this giveaway by just participating, subscribing, liking, and sharing. And you can do so many things. You just have to subscribe, and this could be yours. आपका भी हो सकता है. So all आप बस आपको ये करना है कि आप सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें ये वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, और ये मैं 8000 फॉलोअर्स पे गिव अवे करूँगी. मिलते हैं अगली अनबॉक्सिंग में. Till then, bye, take care और फिर मिलेंगे.